I would be out here every day. Okay.
I am out here. Oh, this is so nice. It's a really good view, Reggie. Can you see the fireworks, Reg?
Am I doing it wrong?
Yeah.
What am I doing wrong?
I'm scared if
You
I
ain't got
fall.
glasses.
Is
Is it?
not? Oh, it's taking pictures.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
reverse it.
Okay, wait. It's on what?
That's it. Oh, there it is.
I really need to.
Oh, it's recording now?
I really
Is it
need
recording?
to.
Okay. What's wrong, baby?
Throwing the fireworks.
It's okay, Reggie.
Yeah, it's
We'll take
okay.
care of it. Don't worry about it.
Nothing
I'm gonna
happened.
already tell Crystal on it.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh,
What is that red light sitting there? You see that
What?
red light? It keeps going back and forth.
ooh, what
It's
is
just
that?
that single red
I
light. You
don't
see
know
it?
if that's my car.
Is that a
or not.
plane?
I don't know. It keeps stopping and it keeps going. I wonder if it's a helicopter.
Oh my God. What is that? It should have more than a red light though, Matilda.
I don't know.
Right?
I would think, but I don't know. Because see, look at it. Look how it moves. Look at it's starting to go. It must be a drone. Somebody must have a drone.
It must be a drone. It had ooh.
I see that red dot.
Yes,
Yeah, you see the red dot there?
Oh, I think it's an
Or
alien.
UFO.
No, that's a drone.
That's got to be a drone.
Whoa!
I think
Somebody's
it's a
got
satellite.
lights. What is happening? See, I would be up here all the freaking time.
Maybe it's a
See,
satellite.
look, it's like moving
Now it's
erratically.
moving
Whatever that.
there.
Somebody, it's got to be somebody's drone.
It's gotta be. It's up pretty freaking high. It's
It
coming
is.
down too. This is so cool. I didn't even see this.
And if we see,
balcony over
and we
here.
see,
I can't
if we
believe
see it explode, I'm moving again.
Okay.
As a peace, everyone, and I'll jump down. I'll pray for 7 seconds, and if I can, I'll land on the
Okay,
crash.
baby.
Hold on one second.
Hold on.
You could just finish.
I
Thank-
just didn't know.
Thank you guys for
my
watching this
sister
video. See you later.
had a